Hey guys, Double Wide 6, and today what we're working on is a cable from, this one's actually from a walk-behind lawnmower. It's the handle cable that engages the drive from it was like a Cub Cadet 33-inch, but you can see the spring's broken and it's supposed to have a hook on the end and it's snapped off. So we're going to show you how to repair this. If you're in a bind with your snowblower and you got one of these that breaks, you want to get this fixed so you can use your snowblower during the storm, and it's a pretty easy fix. So what we're going to do is put this in a vise. And this spring is pretty thick. It's about 1/8 of an inch. And we're going to take some propane. And we're going to heat this up till it gets cherry red. It's mostly this top ring. These springs are really tough to work with unless you heat them up. Then once you heat them up, you can grab on them, and you can see here this will stretch right out. And we're going to take this, we're going to give it the right bend, and all we have to do is let that air cool. That should be good, and I'm going to just let it cool and we'll snip off the end. Try and get it right here. It's pretty thick though. Alright, so we'll let that cool off and we'll show you it. Here's a look at the spring. You can see the bend looks good. A little bit of the spring pulled out here. You want to be careful when you're heating this up, because you don't, as you heat up the spring steel, what's happening is the steel is losing its spring ability and it's just becoming like regular steel. So probably this top link where it's pulled out here, where it was heated up cherry red, this no longer is spring steel, it's just regular steel. But back here, all this is still spring steel, and it'll work fine. And you know, if you're in a pinch or anything like that. This cable, I know for a fact, I just replaced it for a customer, and on the MTD machine, I think it was really close to a $40 cable. So this is a good little tip. If you learned something here, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Take care, guys.